stay dreaming on. You know that I got the hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams. You know that I stay dreaming on. You know that I stay dreaming, dreaming.
Hello there. Welcome to our video, How to Make Money Online with Affiliate Marketing, a step-by-step guide. Be sure to like and subscribe for more informative videos from our team. We know how lucrative this online business can be when approached with the right strategy. That's why we want to share a step-by-step guide on making money online with affiliate marketing. By following these proven steps, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business, earn commissions from your promotional efforts, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your affiliate marketing efforts, this guide will provide the tools and strategies to succeed in this competitive industry. So let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a niche. Choose a niche that speaks to your passion and expertise because it's easier to build a business around something you love and know well. Pat Flynn. Select the niche that you are passionate about or have knowledge in. This will make it easier for you to create engaging content and connect with your target audience. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Identify the top 5 websites for finding affiliate marketing products. Some popular options include 1. Amazon Associates. Amazon offers a wide range of products to promote, making it a popular choice for affiliate marketers. 2. ClickBank. ClickBank is a digital marketplace that specializes in digital products such as ebooks and software. 3. Commission Junction, CJ. CJ is a popular affiliate marketing network that connects marketers with a wide range of products and brands. 4. ShareASale. ShareASale is another popular affiliate marketing network that offers a diverse range of products to promote. 5. Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten Marketing, formerly known as Buy.com, is a global affiliate marketing platform that offers a variety of products and services. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Create high-quality content that is relevant to your niche and provides value to your audience. This could include blog posts, reviews, videos, or social media posts. Incorporate your affiliate links strategically within your content. Step 4. Build an audience. Utilize various online marketing methods to build an audience for your content. Some effective ways to promote your content and drive traffic to your affiliate products include 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your content with relevant keywords to improve your search engine rankings and increase organic traffic. 2. Social media marketing. Build a strong presence on social media platforms that are relevant to your niche and engage with your audience regularly. 3. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters or promotions to your subscribers. 4. Paid advertising. Use paid advertising methods such as Google Ads or social media ads to drive targeted traffic to your content. 5. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to promote your content and products to their audience. Step 5. Optimize and scale. Continuously monitor your performance and optimize your strategies based on the data you collect. Test different marketing channels, strategies, and products to find what works best for your audience. As you start making sales, reinvest in your business to scale up your efforts. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable online business if you follow these steps. Choose a niche, research and join affiliate programs, create high-quality content, build an audience, and optimize and scale your strategies over time. Remember to always disclose your affiliate relationships and provide honest and valuable content to your audience. Good luck on your affiliate marketing journey. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more valuable content from our team.
Man, I got hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams. You know that I stay dreaming. You know that I stay dreaming on.